get the possibility by grace. Now my feet can shine. This life you see not turn by turn, oh yeah. Probability you tell me what I go think when money go come my way. She be ni kan lo be she no bella. I be no be person born and go to you. Karaye ma pa ire pata, kò ní ṣiṣẹ́ lórí mi o. You know be work for my head oh. Àsìkò ní gbogbo nǹkan o. No time to dey.
Oh boy, you dey see am so? Who be this one for the area?
Bros, I dey see that be na blast too. See, you know man, na that gate they just park on the area new. You never reach 2 say they park on.
For that place?
I dey tell you, bros. The baby balance.
You go show me again for the back in balance, the front set in balance, for character self. You go get am.
Bros, never reach like that. You never know I reach like that. Why you just say character?
I'm coming now. Some people can even be a prophet. You may not know that they write out for forehead.
Blast. So you don't turn prophet just now.
Wetin I don see so, my heart don convince me, and I go do everything possible to win this girl to my side.
Okay. Bros, I better not try that matter. This kind matter be all this one now. You know say you be old man because say now you dey rule. See, bros, you don't reason that kind matter. People when I don't report my mind all day. How you tell that kind matter?
You do dey go too far. I go tell me say me na old man. Old man dey for love. Eh? No.
So you dey try tell me say na love you don't dey lost. Bros, how your love goes all those old man. You know what's all this matter.
Now when be young boys of nowadays, I want make sure height with the elders.
Bros, say you talk all this kind matter. I talk with the talk matter. I talk about elders matter. This guy na elder.
That late person sit down. He can't dey see far. If the young boys stand self, you know they see am. Forget about this one.
All this Bible, no just for this matter. People, I don't trace the house. I don't trace which I get. I don't know where they stay.
You don't trace with their place.
Yes, sir.
What be your name?
And Lovina be her name now.
Lovina. You see, no wonder when I dream last night, I can't hear one name, Lovina.
Blast.
Lovina. Today I can't see Lovina. That one shows say this girl is not enter my life.
Blast.
Trust me.
Yes.
My dream not the lie.
All this matter you talk to, no you ever try, bro. Scam matter be the person follow you the rope. You know old man, no they do like that. So.
See, not be every play. Neither they play the go broadcast side. Not every play they play. They if some guy hit search for them, you know they knock them anyhow. Leave this one for me. Forget about this one. This one don't enter my heart.
Every impossibility get the possibility by grace. Now my feet can shine. This life you see not turn by turn, oh yeah. Probability you tell me what I go think when money go come my way. She be ni kan lo be she no bella. I be no be person born and go to you.
Oh, how you doing now? Oh, I'm very happy to see you now. You know what? Like waiting, I don't dey worry you since if you really grip for me, I go carry you to high heaven. The stars, the moon, even the sun, the mountains and the river and ocean, all of them will clap their hands on the day of our marriage.
Really?
Oh.
You are really romantic.
Oh, so you love this one? Oh, that is good. So just believe with it.
Every impossibility get the possibility by grace. Now my feet can shine. This life you see not turn by turn, oh yeah. Probability you tell me what I go think when money go come my way. She be ni kan lo be she no bella. I be no be person born and go to you. Karaye ma pa ire pata, kò ní ṣiṣẹ́ lórí mi o. You know be work for my head oh. Àsìkò ní gbogbo nǹkan o. No time to dey wait yo. Abobe see that motor, na person get am for. Shey you see that duplex, na person get am for. If you no get money for this life, you don't fuck up oh. Yeah. Àsìkò ní gbogbo nǹkan o. No time to dey wait yo. No time to dey wait yo. No time to dey wait yo. As if food the way sweet to na money kill am bro. Ọbẹ̀ tó dùn, owó ló pa. Bàbá dákun fi owó tó pọ̀ dá mi lọ́lá. I want to live in la vida loca life, oh. Want to fly with plane for sky, oh. As I dey pray for money, I dey pray for akọ́niṣe, oh. I dey pray make my leg carry me go better place, oh yeah. Ẹ̀dá mi dákun jọ̀wọ́ show me the way, yeah. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi dákun jọ̀wọ́ open my way. Ababe see that motor, na person get am for. Shey you see that the blessing, na person get am for. If you no get money for this life, you don't fuck up, oh. Yeah. Àsìkò ní gbogbo nǹkan, oh. No time to dey wait, yo. No time to dey wait, yo. No time to dey wait, yo.
Sweet dream. Which kind of dream be that one, bros?
Forget about the dream. Now I carry you come.
Never is square, bros.
Kind find dream when I dey dream. Dream of life. You just come and come distract me, come out. You see now the picture now don't want come up for inside my.
Bros, no verse.
I beg next time, if you dey come meet me, make call. Nowadays, the only you call the enter road, they go see person. You go make call whether I even dey house. You even come at the sleep. You just come wake me up from this my fine dream. No.
Should not be quiet, bros.
Wait till carry you concept. Let's dey sleep. Just come dey disturb am.
Now my money carry me come, bros.
Push money.
The money you supposed to share since now. You say they send the money, go send money, go. Never send account.
But what did I tell you now? I'm not telling you say they don't pay the money enter my account and you go my account and you go take 5 days for the thing to mature, make a release and give to you. Now you just hurry come, they come to disturb me.
Bro, so the 5 days are 5 times 5. I don't understand. The 5 days not pass now.
If you don't even pass safe, you're not supposed to phone me. You not phone me, just rush come now. This kind of fine dream of life when I dream now. You don't distract me now because of 2,000 naira.
This guy dream of life, I don't understand though. You know how many times transport nothing they coin, you know how much. I don't most sounds finish. I don't understand this kind of pattern.
No, whether now hungry because they want to put you for this one, I don't know. You know cannot you don't go fit a size patient. If patients not even reach, add the endurance. Later now. Later when that's my body right.
Okay.
Now pidgin English self even take writer.
Sure. Oh, I bet no see mean. So far the thing clear. They explain what you explain. Sure. You go school.
But I still need to buckle up now. You know, say if you write out with correct English like that, the something go the girl go they feel happy. Go still.
What if you come and go now? The girl cause me speak English. Nobody speak English. No, not you writer.
Now read true.
I better read more. No, it's later. More. No, it's more. Sure.
My dear Lovina, my name na Iruru. I dey see you for the area for some time now. The day when I go stand face to face to talk with you, it go be a honor for me. The reason why I write you this letter now because I love you well and I need you to love me back. I ready to take care of you. Money no be problem when the day at all. My dear, if you say yes to this my matter, I go shower you with love when you never see before. Your sincere paddy, Iruru.
Brother Ruby.
Yes, Pastor.
You were calling me that you wanted to see me.
Yes, so Pastor.
I was bewildered. I was puzzled. I was imagining why you would want to see me.
Everything is fine, Pastor. You don't have to be. I mean, Pastor, that's all this English sometimes is a confused person. See, not be bad matter, sha. Just as I cost so seed, you get what they pay me for my hand. The way they pay me, you get what they touch me. Now me go see my account. My cost so the seed. My cost so this so that God go handle the matter.
Wow, this is good. This is good. You mean you are sowing a seed?
Yes, so Pastor.
Do you know something about seed sowing? Seed sowing.
Yeah.
It's very important. It's a consequential point to note by believers.
Yes.
When you sow seed, it is easy for God to interfere. I mean, swiftly. That means God comes into your case with coercion. I mean, with
Pastor.
God intervenes.
Pastor. As in English, I know they understand again. We don't go far.
That is what
so
I'm
family
saying.
call you to make it for sweetly. I mean,
swiftly. It comes in.
So far, sweet and sweet is inside the matter.
That is it. So thank you. I like your faith. I like your faith.
Oh, Pastor.
I know you did not just sow the seed. There must be a body.
Pastor really get body now. Body now. It's strong. See, you get one girl I don't like. Again, I like the girl away. Me and my bros. Cost down when my bros go see the girl. And my bros say that the girl now like so. Say that the girl now I must go for. So I know my bros. I'm not a fighter. Let me see my God sow this seed. So that now God go run her for me.
I'm trying to understand something. I'm trying to understand you. Like you are sowing this seed so that you go fit get the babe.
Yeah, yes, Pastor. You be level. You get level. That's that big. How many people full of?
Oh, that is why you came with the seed.
Yes, Pastor.
Nairobi, you are such a funny person. Very, very funny. I will not tell you lies.
Pastor, no, it's one matter. Serious matter. You see the way the babe
Just
fresh.
because of a girl.
You see the way the babe package everything back and front.
Come on, that is not right. That is not right. Don't do that next time. You just go.
Okay, I'm not collect the feedback.
No, just go. You can go, my brother.
Yeah, okay.
Go. It is well.
I mean, Pastor, pray for me. Pray, make the thing for yourself. Make the babe for love.
Please, just go. Thank you. So this seated. Just because of a girl.
Shuffle na be Iroro.
Na me be the corporate diner.
Okay, now you send me that nasty letter.
Oh, the letter look nasty. That to tell you say the letter very correct.
For the letter, you say you love me well.
I love you well. I don't even love you before the letter. I love you. When I see you, anytime I see you, I've even did the ocean of the love. Thank God say I can't even see you now. Face to face, okay? Face to face.
How many years you be?
Me na 45 years now.
45 years. You won't marry 90 years gay.
Anything not wrong for them now. All those top politicians, all those business guru, all those professors, they marry young African sunset with pointed antenna for front. Then me, if I come marry that kind of person now, young girl of 19, na bad thing. You of say na love or age, forget about that one. I'm equal to the tax because I no carry my car. I get chase of cars.
Well, me, I know they like guys when get car because they too they carry body. For starting they go be like say they love you and nothing. Because starting they misbehave later. And they like guys like this when just they.
And you mean me, Abi? I don't tell her say I love you as in the way I love
Shut
you.
up your mouth. Waiting. I call you to escort me come place. You just you won't put left for where my short my leg.
Hey bros, don't be like that. Now she talking. I'm not talking. No be she talking. You be talking just now.
You be bad person. You be the jealous type.
You guys should
Now to that they know you.
You guys should relax.
Why is correct, bros?
The matter not be about age, who old and who young. The matter now who love me. Who love me past now I go marry. Now I go spend the rest of my life.
If you talk about love, when you talk about love, no man can even contest that one with me. Eh? Because I love you, sir. If you will slap me, sir, I'll come slap you back. I don't slap you back, I will just smile more like that. I just dey bear am for body because of wetin the love dey there. I feel they wash your pint for house. Even for house, I feel they clear everywhere when it's dirty, clear the outside, clean the kitchen, everything, the toilet, everything. And if you want go market, say, I'll carry your handbag for you go market. When they see me with you, body set will even dey sweet. You say, this people love it tight. Oh. You see? So I'm ready to play 100% love for you.
My mind dey. I love you.
Okay. I for still like make I tell una my bad side so that I still know say I get some bad side.
I no bad side now. As I don't love you finish, and they say love cover multitude of any wuru. You can even though if you do one kind bad thing, I will just bear am because with the name of love. After all, the Bible say love your neighbor as yourself.
Na true, sha. Na true. I must hear the bad side na start. Mo just hear.
My first boyfriend, he tell me say he love me well. I no talk o. One day na so I see am with one girl, dey waka. I no talk. For night when he dey sleep, he shit on me. Na so I just waka. I waka go down. Na so I shook oil belle for am. Oh, he taste like just dey fall for ground here. Na so he take die. What about the second one? You know they play with my love. Oh. You tell me you love me, tell me say you love me. The second one, carry girl come house when me and I stay. You know acid now. You too, you know acid.
Yes.
Now raw acid there, I pop for your body.
Kill you.
Now say people they rush, they die for ground. If they die, and they pour the acid for you. Don't they try my love at all? What about the other one?
Hello, daddy. Okay, you there road now. I dey come now. I forget. I dey come now. I dey come.
My guy tell me say he love me. Now yeah, I stand. As in, I dey here. I see and they waka pass with. We won't get. Hey, that's how they even they talk the matter self in my head. They low. I just the reason. The first one, I shook him. As in, I stab him. Oh, he intestine like the fall. The second one, I pour acid for your body. But I know as I did like this now, I don't even know what I want to do. Wait till I do this. Wait till I do the third one self. Oh God. That's what I just said. Fake love. Don't come. Who break my heart? And they keep it going here.
No. Every impossibility got the possibility by grace. Now my feet can shine. This life you see not turn by turn, oh yeah. Baba Billy Q tell me what I go do when money go come my way. She been call lobby, she no Bella. I be no be person born and go to you. Carry my pirate pata. Koni shisha lori mi yo. You know be work for my head oh. Asiko ni gbogbo nkan oh. No time to dey wait yo. Abobe see that moto, na person get am for. Shey you see that to bless, na person get am for. If you no get money for this life, you don't fuck up oh. Yeah. Asiko ni gbogbo nkan oh. No time to dey wait yo. No time to dey wait yo. No time to dey wait yo. As if food you were sweet, na money kill am. ọbẹ̀ tó dùn owó ló pa. Bàbá dákun fi owó tó pọ̀ dá mi lọ́lá.